Castle Green lies a very fierce predator, and some of its kind can be ferociously adorable. Felis catus, the domestic cat. It spots a prey. Looks like it's something else. It stalks its prey quietly and carefully until the right time. It slowly observes its prey until... Oh, looks like this cat's not... Looks like this predator's not interested in hunting. Oh, the predator has found a prey.